Hey YouTube, my name's Devin. This is the Law of Attraction, Magic, by Rhonda Byrne. Revised by me in my own gratitude journal. This is how I harness the Law of Attraction. And we're on the section, Magically Heal Your Relationships. And thank you for following along. Alright, ready? I am. Magically heal your relationships. Gratitude will magically improve any adverse relationship, whether that person is a husband, wife, brother, sister, son or daughter, partner, boss, business client, work colleague, partner-in-law, father-in-law, parent, friend, or neighbor. Hey neighbors. Now, listen here, okay? Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one that will end up getting burned. Don't hold on to anger or resentment. Please. Remember, when you have bad feelings about another person, you burn your own life. But with gratitude here, it eliminates them. For an example, if you have an ex-partner who is connected to you through your children and the relationship didn't work, look at your children's faces and realize that they wouldn't be alive if it wasn't for your ex-partner. Your children's lives are one of the most precious gifts you have. Look at your children and give thanks for your ex-partner for the lives every single day, as well as the bringing in peace and harmony to their relationship. Through your example, you will be teaching your children the greatest tool for their life in gratitude. You can use gratitude's magical powers to transform everything around you. Gratitude will magically transform circumstances into healing and happiness faster than anything else. Faster than anything else. And this story is an example of that. Mother and father fell in love virtually at first sight. From the moment they met, they were truly grateful to be with each other, and they had the most beautiful marriage. We understandably use gratitude and magical power and looked for things to be grateful for. We always recalled all the wonderful times through the decades, and we always looked to the future to find things to be grateful for. One by one, we found them. With courage, steps of gratitude, opportunities to fulfill our dreams magically pour in, and our life is rich with happiness. The magic applied by the power of gratitude enhanced our life immeasurably. For today's magical practices, you are going to look for a hot coal in your life and literally turn it into gold. Choose one relationship you want to improve. It doesn't matter whether that person is currently in your life or if it's a past relationship and that person is no longer in your life. Sit down and make a written list of why you're grateful for that person and about that person you've chosen. Grateful for about what you've chosen about them. Think about through the history of a relationship and the list of great things from the person you've chosen. Think about, things about the person or the great things you've received. Think about the great things you've received from the relationship. The easiest way to do this is to think about the things that were before the relationship ended. If the relationship was never good, think about any good qualities that they may have, because there are good qualities in every single person on this planet. This magical practice is not about who was right or who was wrong. No matter what you feel someone has done to you, no matter what you said or didn't say, you can magically heal that relationship, and you don't even need the other person to do it in order to heal it. There is gold in any relationship, even the difficult ones. And to bring riches to all your relationships and all your life, you have to find the gold. As you dig up and discover the nugget of gold, write it down and address the person by name and express your sentiments in gratitude. I'm not going to say the name, but I will say this. I'm grateful for our time together. While our relationship did end, I learned a lot, and I'm much wiser today. And I will use what I learned from our relationship and other relationships. I'm grateful for everything you did try and make our relationship work, because 5 years is a long time, and that means you did try to make it work. I'm grateful to you and your family. The joy I received from them was a blessing. I'm grateful to you for all the hard work and the long hours you put in to support us. It was a big responsibility to have, so thank you. I am grateful for the precious moments we did have. We did get to see a lot. I never knew we would have had so many opportunities. I'm grateful for your support through the difficult times. I'm grateful for you taking care of me when things were down and out, and to have multiple good times. Thank you for being there for me. You are a blessing. I'm grateful for the times we did have. We did have many. I'm grateful for you that you were in my life. I'm grateful for your support and the time you did give. I know they mean as much to me as they do to you. By the time you're finished with your gratitude list, and you can do it just like that, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for, and just make it up your own way. Use your imagination. By the time you finish your gratitude list, you should feel much better about that person and that relationship. The ultimate point you want to reach is that you don't have bad feelings toward that person anymore, because it is your life that must change. And that sort of emotional clutter affects your thoughts today. Every relationship is different. Be grateful. You don't want to harbor any more bad feelings towards that person anymore. If you're using gratitude's magical power to improve your current relationship, you will see the relationship change miraculously before your eyes. It only takes one person to magically change a relationship through gratitude, but it takes that person to use as a gratitude who receives the benefits, though. And you will receive the benefits in your whole life. If you choose a past relationship where you're not in contact with that person anymore, you will feel peace and happiness fill you. And at the same time, you will see other current relationships change and become better. In the future, if a relationship becomes challenging, remember to use this magical practice immediately. I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful for. Remember, you will only increase the magic in relationships with your own gratitude. Magically heal your relationships. Remember to count your blessings, explaining why you're grateful, and at the end of each day and each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Now, choose a relationship to improve. Sit down and make a written list of the things you're grateful for about that person you've chosen, and write it down. I'm grateful for the time we did spend together. Thank you so much. That's how. Magic and miracles in health. Miracles are not contrary to nature, but contrary to what we know about nature. We should feel healthy, energized, and full of happiness most of the time, because that is how it feels to bring. That is our birthright. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways to magically begin to experience the full state of health you are meant to have in your body and mind. All miracles of healing we see happen are simply the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body. If you don't think gratitude creates miracles in your health and body, then watch this YouTube channel. Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body, and can assist the body in healing more quickly, as countless studies have shown. The magical power of gratitude also works hard in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any other medical assistance you might have chosen to follow. To increase your health, you need to have good feelings, and gratitude is the easiest way to do it. This is the best gratitude practice on the planet. Whoever has gratitude for health in their body will be given more, and she will have abundance. And you are continuing to receive the gift of health. Gratitude helps increase the magical flow. Quick tip. You gotta find your fit, though. Find your fit. Running, rowing, lifting weights. You have to find your fit, find your health. It's all different for everybody. You will be given more abundance. You are continuing to receive the gift of health. Your gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to the body. Today's magical practice in miracles in health is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness. And we're going to take a triple-pronged approach to accelerate the results. Reading back over this, it cracks me up. But like I said, this is my own affirmation videos. You can do this too. Step 1, health you've received from the past. Think about the great health you've received throughout your childhood, adolescence, and adult life. Think about the times you felt full of energy and you were happy. Recollect 3 separate times in your mind when you felt on top of the world. Say the magical words thank you and feel sincere gratitude for those times. If you think back to the big moments in your life, you will be able to recollect 3 separate times very easily. Step 2, health you're continuing to receive, present. Think about the health you're continuing to receive today and feel grateful for every organ, system, and physical sense that is currently working well in your body. Think about your arms, legs, hands, ears, liver, kidneys, brains, and heart. See all the functions in your body that are well, and one by one mentally say the words thank you for each one. Step 3, health you want to receive in the future. Going to the gym. It's for me. Anyways, you're going to choose one thing you want to improve about your body for today's magical practice, but you're going to use gratitude's magical power for it in a very particular way. Think about the ideal state you want to improve. When you give thanks for the ideal state of anything you have put into motion to receive back the ideal state, focus only on the ideal state for the mind and body, and give our thoughts and feelings to that gratitude. For the ideal state of any part of our body powerfully uses our thoughts and feelings together, so we magnetize it to us. in one full swoop. Spend time visualizing a scene of yourself with the ideal state of your body that you want. And as you see your body in your mind the way you want it, to be grateful for, though, is how you to receive it. So if you want to magically restore your health, be grateful for strong and good health you do have. If you want to restore health, be grateful for the pure health, the flow that nutrients to all the parts of the body. If you want to restore health, give thanks for the health that maintains your well-being now. If you want to magically improve your eyesight, then give thanks for excellent vision. If you want to improve your hearing, then give thanks for a perfect healing. If you want more flexibility, then give thanks for perfect, supple, agile body. If you want to change your weight, first think about the ideal weight that you want to be, and then imagine yourself at that ideal weight, and give thanks for it as if though you already received it now. Whatever it is that you want to improve, first imagine yourself in that ideal state, and then be grateful for this ideal state as though you received it now. The natural forces within us are the true healers. You could follow the magic and miracles and health every day if you need to, and you could do it multiple times a day if you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of full health, or the improvement, or the aspect, or the view of your body. That's important. Visualize yourself in the ideal state you want to be by being truly grateful as though if you already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health other than taking good care of yourself physically is to continue to be grateful for your health. With the magic and miracles in health, remember to count your blessings, feel as grateful as you can, recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt on top of the world, and give sincere thanks for those times. Think about the functions of your body that are well, and one by one give thanks for each one. Choose one thing about your body or health you want to improve, and spend time visualizing yourself in the ideal state of your body and health. Then give thanks for the ideal state. Just before you go to sleep, always repeat thank you for the best thing that happened during that day. Okay, thank you again, you all. Until next time, peace.